Good day, good afternoon. So welcome to Coach Inobi. So it has been long I've put a video out there. So I'm just going to make a simple counter with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to call it counter. So I'll click the folder, then I will search for count. I'll click the folder, then I'll right click, then open with VS Code. So I'll click open with VS Code. Or let me just open VS Code. Ibrahim. So click Control O and click the counter. So first off, we are going to be creating the HTML file, CSS file, and the JavaScript file. So let me create it index.html, style.css, and then scripts, and then script.js. So first of all, we start with the HTML. So a shortcut to get the HTML elements. So I've done that. So give the title of counter. Then I will create a main tag. Then I will create a button. I give it plus. Then I will create a span. Give the class name of count. Give the plus name of add_tn. Then a button of minus. Then I will give it a button of minus. So import the CSS link.style.css and script.search.script.js. So I also give the button class sub. So that is it. So I'll put the number 0 inside it. So let's move to JavaScript. So I'll create a let add btn equals to document dot get element by class name. Let me use query selector. I will put hash add btn, then let sub btn. Document dot query selector sub btn, then let count equals to document dot get element by query selector counts. Or let's say let count be equals to 0. Okay, get element by dot count, and then let's add an event listener to the add btn dot add event listener. So we create a function, give it a click, and create an arrow function. Then let's say let me make this account element, and let's say let count equals to 0. So if let's say count equals to count plus 1, then count l dot inner text equals to count. And also let's make the sub btn add event listener, click arrow function, count equals to count minus 1, count l dot inner text equals to count. So let's test this project and see whether it works. So let's test it. It's working. As you can see, the counter is working by the top left. It's counting. If you add it to minus, if we click minus to add, click plus it to add. So let me give this some styling. So let me give it the count, the mean equals to display flex, justify content center, align content center, margin top 100 pixels, then mean dot bottom, it select the mean and the bottom. So width 50 pixels, font size 20 pixels, background dark, color white, border none, margin 20 pixels. Then the counter itself, the count itself, I'll give it a font size of 100 pixels. So as you can see, use the counter, you add it to add the numbers, reduce to minus the numbers. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.